So you have learned how to declare a structure, how to declare a structure variable, and also how to access a structure variable. So now let's see how can you pass a structure to a function. So for that, let's first of all consider the same structure, the structured movies that we considered as an example in the previous slide. So again, it has those two variables, those two members, title and year. Now we want to make a function which is print movie, and we want to pass it a variable of our own type, and that type is movies. And that type is actually this structure. So we want to do that, and this is the prototype of our function. So let's see how will we do that. This course is exactly the same. We just saw it in the previous slide, so you can look at it once more if you want. Now let's see. Let's look at the function definition. Okay, this is the function definition right here. So the function is print movie. So to pass a variable of structure type, what you have to do is, just like any other variable, you have to write the data type of the variable. So in this case, the data type is our custom data type, and which is our structure. So just write the name of the structure here and then the name of the variable. So in this function, we are just printing. We're just printing on the screen. We're just doing the cout thing. So we have written cout here, and we are displaying the title member of the structure. So we are just displaying this and these two members. So for that, you know how to access a structure. You will write the name of the variable movie, which is written here. So movie dot title will display the title, and movie dot year will display the year. Okay, let's see how will we call this function. So in the main, we have declared two variables, mine and yours. Now here, look at this part right here. Here I have called this function print movie, and then we have passed it the variable mine, this variable here. And then again, in the another function call, we have passed it the variable yours. So this is how we pass it to a function. It's actually very easy. And actually this topic is tough, but at this point you have learned so much, and you have become familiar with programming, that these things are actually seeming pretty easy. Okay, now let's see pointer to structures. So pointers is a difficult topic, structure is a difficult topic, so combined. Anyway, so pointer to structures, let's see how to be declare and initialize. It's actually very simple. You know how to declare and initialize any other pointer. So declaring and initializing a structure pointer is pretty much the same thing. And remember, in the pointers lecture, we discussed that the data type of pointer and the data type of the variable whose address we want to store in that pointer must be same. So if I have the same structure here, same structure that we've been using for our example, and I have declared a variable of the type movies. So this is my variable of the type movies. The name of that variable is a movie. So if I want to store the address of this particular variable in a pointer, the data type of that pointer must be movies. It must be same. So here I have declared a pointer variable. So this is a pointer. You just have to put a static here, nothing else. So I have declared a pointer variable with a static, and the data type of that pointer variable obviously must be the same. So it's movies again. And here I have saved the address of this variable movie in the in my pointer variable. So this is my variable, this is my pointer variable. So I think it's very easy. I think there is nothing difficult, and if you have studied and understood pointers well before, so this thing is not hard. Okay, now let's see how will we access. Okay, this thing is relatively quite new. How you will access the members of the function of the structure? How will you access the members of the structure through the pointer variable? So let's look at this code again once more. So the structure is the same. This is the structure. Keep this structure in your mind. And now this is my variable a movie, and this is my pointer variable p movie. And here I have stored the address of my simple variable in the pointer variable. Now cout, enter the title. Now let's look at this line. This is quite different. So when we are using pointers, we do not use the dot operator. So up till now, we were using the dot operator to access the structure variables. So look at this line here. To print the variable, to print the structure member year, dot operator is being used, which you just saw. So while using pointers, we do not use the dot operator. What we use is this pointer type thing. What we use is we use a hyphen, a dash, and then this greater than sign. Right? This kind of becomes like a pointer. So when I am writing the pointer variable here, then to point to the member of the structure of whose address is stored in this pointer, we use this pointer shape thing, which is a hyphen and with the greater than sign. So this is what we use. Again, to print the year, I have used this. So we haven't used dot operator here, we have used this. Now this operator is usually called as the arrow operator. There is one thing important, you should never forget this. This line, P movie, arrow operator and title. This line is exactly the same as this. So if you don't want to use the arrow operator and you want to use the dot operator along with the dereferencing operator, so remember this was the dereferencing operator, this is the dot operator. So if you don't want to use your arrow operator and you want to use the dot and dereferencing operator, this is how you do it. You first of all write the name of your pointer variable. So this is the name of my pointer variable. Then you dereference it with the static, and then putting the round braces here, you put the dot, and after the dot you write the name of the member of structure which you want to dereference. So it can be title, or if you don't want to use this, you want to use the other one, you can write the year. That was the other member of structure. So always remember, this statement is equivalent to this statement, but these two statements are wrong. So this is not equal to this statement, also not equal to this statement. So this is equals to this statement but not the other two. So don't mix them.